Hello friends, in front of me Mr. Vikash is sitting. He is a newly qualified chartered accountant. He cleared his exam in July 2021. Not only that, he secured 95% marks in SFM subject, which is considered to be one of the toughest course of not only India but of the world. Scoring 95% marks in CA exams is not easy. Definitely, his concepts are very strong. He had a conceptual understanding of each and every practical aspect of finance. He is expert in forex derivative. He knows how to buy and sell shares. He is well qualified to enter into the field of finance. He comes from a very small town, small village, and coming from that and doing such a great achievement is really commendable. We will love to hear from Vikas that how he managed to score 95% marks in SFM when he took my classes, and what are the important points in SFM which must be kept in mind before appearing in exam. So Mr. Vikas, please tell your journey how you managed to score 95% marks in SFM.
First of all, thanks to you for because of you, this target is achieved by me. My journey start in 2015 from a small town where I generally nearest two hour from up and 2 hour for down. In theory, generally, I take many steps. So first of all, I motivate every day because in CA course, it is a very difficult course where we need to motivate ourselves in day to day because daily we challenged many difficulties in our area. So first of all, thanks to you for this journey to complete my target in time. In 2015, I started my journey, and 2021, because of the COVID-19, I late my journey, but definitely I achieved this journey. After taking your class from Hisar, this is about 40 kilometers from Barwala, my village. Taking class, it is a very amazing class because of practical environment in the class. Because when I taking class, it is a because many teachers are providing a class only in theoretical manner, but in your class we achieved the target by taking a advantage of the practical knowledge also. In your class we taking the practical knowledge like stock market environment and derivative market, because in the CS subject in final level it is not easiest for the student to understand derivative subjects and derivative topics and the forex topics. So for understanding these topics uh, we also need to take the advantage of the practical knowledge also. So because of you, and one more most things one more things in your material, there is so many quotes are there. Some are the informational quotes, some are the knowledgeable quotes. So I also try to read every quotes in every days, in every chapter, every page. So it is also help to me to achieve my target. Thanks to you, sir, for such a target.
Very nice, very nice. So I think that you have said everything. You liked my class notes, you liked the practical which we used to share in your class, and you like the stock market practical. You also like the quotes which I used to say and write in my books. So definitely the marks 95% is not easy, coming from a small village to moving to Hisar, daily commuting at least 2 hours one way, and definitely doing your articleship and doing all the hardship. You have really come so far. I think that now you will achieve a lot in this field and you will really rock. Now nothing to worry, because you have achieved a lot till now, and definitely you will have much more to achieve in future. So Mr. Vikas, thank you so much for giving your valuable time. I seek your blessings from your parents. Your parents must be a proud parents, and definitely they are must be very happy. You made your parents and your teachers very proud. In future also you will do many more good achievements. Please let us know so that we can also share your achievement with our students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vikas.